snowed so much. Used to be some tracks there, but you cannot see them anymore. Yay! Happy 1st of December! Danny, is it ready to open our advent calendars? Not in the... Ooh, it's December 1st. Found it. Yay. Oh. I got a star. Oh, the stars are praline cream with cinnamon. Nice. Good morning, everybody. Happy December 1st. It is the start of the Vlogmas. I still haven't decided if I'm going to be filming every day and uploading every day, or if I'm going to be doing like Advent. But yeah, we're here, 1st of December. Can't believe it, last month of the year. I have no idea where 2023 went. But I'm not gonna start with this, like looking down on the year. Maybe in a later like video close to January. New year. As you can see, our tree is still very bare, but I so much love it. I think it's so much nice warm light into the morning. And we just opened our advent calendars. This year I have a Ritter Sport Advent, and Temu has a Karl Fatzer calendar. I also have yarn Advent, but that only has like four spots if I'm not mistaken, and so I'm gonna be opening it on Sunday. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm gonna be sewing in Vlogmas, but I think for today at least we are going to put some more decorations onto the tree. I'm gonna be doing it alone because Teemu is going to be away with his company on their pikkujoulu. It's something that they have here in Finland so it's their Christmas office party today. So I'm gonna putting up some decoration up on the tree and make it even more beautiful. And then I have some of boring stuff, some work stuff. So I'm gonna be doing that now. And then I always wanted a tea advent, which I forgot to buy. And I have been a little bit sick this week. I think I'm still kind of recovering, but it's not COVID and I don't think it's the flu. I think it just got a cold. So I will bundle up very nicely and go to the supermarket in search of a tea advent calendar, even though it's the 1st of December. Later on today I just want to talk about a little bit of what I'm knitting right now, and it has a lot to do with holiday knitting, and let's just say that it has just been a fever of casting on things. Yeah, I'm just so excited to be doing this. I have no idea what I'm gonna be sewing every day if I do it every day, but I think it's gonna be fun to hang around with all of you. So happy 1st of December! change of plans. I didn't manage to do the putting up, like finishing up my putting up the tree. I'm wearing these super cool pants from Milena Paulina Juhola. It is the Copenhagen pants and I'm absolutely in love with them. They have an amazing glitter. It's amazing for the holiday season, but not only for the holiday season, for all season long, because they have this amazing flare that I super love. And I thought about that we should talk about what I'm currently working on, and I want to finish as soon as possible because I have plans for them. And I was just saying that I didn't manage to put more decorations on the tree that I wanted to include in today's video, because life happened and I had to do other stuff around the house. And also other life happened is that I realized that today is the premiere for the Renaissance movie, for the Renaissance tour of Beyonce, and I was like, my boyfriend is gonna be away for the whole day and I'm gonna be here alone, and what better to do than go see Queen Beyonce in her movie and sing along and have a very fun time. So I'm very excited about that. I might actually wear these pants, wear something else underneath, because yeah, they're a little bit like, they're knitted a little bit see-through, so I think I need something. Anyways, I thought that we should talk about, yeah, the things that I want to finish. And first up, it is my, oh, my yarn should cooperate. So first up is my Anything Goes hanky. It is a small shawl by my very knitting bestie, Basti. He's Bomstush on Instagram, if I'm pronouncing correctly. It's a very clever pattern, so it's gonna be folded in like in half when it is done. It is called Anything Goes because literally anything goes. He has like different patterns that you get to choose from. I chose some pulses, then some checkers, some moss stitch, and again some checkers, and then before I went like over to the other side. The base is in like in stockinette. I chose the yarn because when I bought this, I was thinking like socks from Lisbon, but then I chose it and I remember both Basti and myself and I was like, okay, yeah, this is enough rad for the both of us, needs to be in this colorway. You can't exactly see very much so well the pattern, but I still very much love it and I'm so looking forward to see it. It's quite like unique construction, it's gonna be something like that. Can't wait to finish it. Should be available quite soon, in like around 2 to 3 weeks time, so look out for it. Next one, I literally made this one in 4 days. So if you have been around a little bit and you have watched my other videos, you get to see when I bought these yarns and I said that I shouldn't have bought it, and the inspiration. So I had this is gonna be a pullover and it is very, very nice and I really like it, and I think it's turning out as I wanted it to be, like oversized, dropped shoulder. The stripes, they're not the same all over, they're getting smaller as much as you go up. I am struggling a little bit with the sleeves. The inspiration, I will put it right here, was a Loewe, a pullover that I have seen online. I think it's getting there. Might not exactly be like the same, but I have the same yarn that I'm gonna make I-cords and I'm gonna spell out my name. I have decided, I think it's very good. And this I need to finish it by not this Sunday that is coming, by Sunday the 10th, because I want to wear it. Super light, but super warm. You would not believe it. Yeah, looking good. And who would have thought that I made this in 4 days? But it was 4 days because it was in 8mm needles and crazy gauge, but I really like it. Look at it. It's like a cloud. Yes, one done, 2 down, 1 to go. Yeah, this one. First of all, look at the ball that I have going on here. A little bit crazy, and because I was making last February, I was making a skirt as part of my Valentine's outfit. Yeah, I went completely crazy and I thought that I could make like a whole outfit for Valentine's. Disclaimer, I didn't. I did make like a scarf and the cardigan, but the skirt was completely a bust. It was from a pattern from a Finnish magazine, and yeah, it didn't work at all. Like for me, you chose the wrong size, blah blah blah. So I had to unravel it, and it was like an even bigger ball of yarn. I can literally play football with that. So I decided to do my own skirt, and this is the result. This was done in basically 24 hours because it's again in 6 millimeters needle. I have swatched, had everything done, and look at how cute my wait, I will do them like this so you can see my Christmas. Look at all of my um, knit markers. They're so cute also, and my needle stoppers, they're little yeah, they're little Christmas trees. I super love them. Yeah, I have tried it on, and it's almost covering my bum, and I need around, if I measured a little bit on me uh, on the mirror, and I think I need like 6 centimeters more. And I was thinking that I will do like a flare like this, very much inspired like from the pants. But I think I might change, like instead of like doing that detail here, I think I'm gonna doing like a lateral braid. Very excited. I think it's turning out very nicely. I'm especially very satisfied with how my yeah, how the elastic band looks like here. I think it looks very polished, and I love the color. It's, I don't have like a lot of grays in my wardrobe, so it's a fun to have something more natural that I can just throw on color on. Yeah, skirt. I also want to finish that by next Sunday. Did I mention that? No, I didn't. And I think I can do it. Just need to focus a little bit, but I had like other things in my mind that was of more paramount importance instead of knitting that. And I also saw that I had some, yeah, the front and the back don't have the same amount of stitches. The back has three more stitches, and I'm trying to decide if I'm okay with that because my bum is a little bit bigger, so it might need like the 3 extra stitches, or if I should try to get it down, like get rid of those 3. Think about, you can leave your suggestion in the comments down below. Last but not least, I'm gonna put a picture because I haven't started yet. I was waiting for the weekend to do that. It is my, I'm gonna be casting on for the Turtle Dove Soul, which is a mystery knit along by Sari Nordlund. I got this yarn from Porvo last winter, and it was just the perfect shade of red. And I was like, I have this yarn that I want to make a Sophie sole, but now I saw this little sole from Sari, and I'm a sucker for advents. So I was like, yes, this one, I will make it. And then I moved earth to find this this mohair, and I did. And even though the pattern says fingering and mohair or DK, I think I'm gonna do DK and mohair and be a little bit off gate, but it's okay because it's a small sole and I love small soles, and I think it's gonna be extra soft. So this is what I have for today. This is my current whips. I have more whips that I want to finish, but not by the deadline that I'm looking at. And this is not going to be done, of course, by next Sunday because it's going to be, she releases the clues every Wednesday. So it's going to take like up until Christmas. But I think maybe tomorrow I will share with you my other 2 whips that I'm very excited like to be making. Now I'm gonna go getting ready for the Renaissance movie, and I'll show you my makeup as well. We'll try to vlog after, like, or during, like, before the movie, and I will post it up there. Super nice hanging out with you, and I hope you like the first day of Vlogmas. See the pants in action. They are super cool. Like, look at the flare. Like, oh. And the sparkle, like, look at the sparkle. Crazy over them. Love them. Copenhagen Pants by Milena. This is my makeup for the Renaissance movie. Subtle. is not exactly in my vocabulary. I just got back from the Renaissance, a film by Beyonce, and of course there was merch, and of course I got them. Like, what kind of question is even that? And they even had a poster that they gave us in the end of the film. Super good. I'm super jealous to all the people that they have been at the concert. It's like, I think it was one of those concerts of a lifetime. But happy that I get to see it on film. And they had some crazy remixes like Formation and Diva, and just like, not mention that actually there were some bars from Toxic, and I was like, oh, Toxic. Yeah, but that's it. Put some more Coca-Cola. And I think I'm gonna be heading to sleep. Ooh, I want to show you the book that I'm reading. It's actually a whole series, and I have all of those from the library. I should start reading them. Nice slide, I will stay here. It's The Guild by Raven Kennedy. I'm 67 pages in. Quite interesting. I will keep you posted during this whole Vlogmas thing. I think I might manage to read all of them. Yeah. And my makeup once again. Where's the good light? I want to show you. So good. Don't want to get rid of it, but I want to go to sleep, so I have to. Okay, so I'm off to bed. I will edit all of those shenanigans and upload them tomorrow. So Vlogmas day 1 done. See you in the next one. Bye.